Hello guys, what's up? Okay, my ultralight rod is coming, and thank you so much, fishing and boatingdeals.com. They are authorized Hamachi Japan um, fishing rod. So now we're going to open it. Let's have a look. It's nice packaging, right? So, yeah. It's too tight. By the way. Guys. This is it. Okay, guys, this is it. So cool. It's very light. Okay, so it's here. Hamachi Nano stalker is 2. What's right here? 1 to 2 kilograms. So it's probably it would be 2 to 5 pounds. So 2 to 10 grams. Anyway, you can open it. It's too light. It's important. So here, ready for use. So this is how you use the rod properly. So this some important things that a guide. So here we go, guys. So guys, 2-piece. Beautiful. So according to the website, it would be around 6 feet and 6 inches. It's very light, guys. Oh, come on. You got a budget, you can have one of this, and but I wanna try it first. My fishing outdoor adventure and have a look. but very light. Look at that. It's right here.
41, 85, 60, 85, 60, 85.
Hi.
3, 4, wait.
So this one is perfect to my 1000 Daiwa reel. So gonna make it for ultralight setup. Gagawin ako. Pwede. Gawin that one. Good. Look at that, guys. Perfect. Very light rod. 1 to 2 kilograms and 6 feet and 6 inches. So okay, I'm gonna try to put it. And look at that, guys. So beautiful. What's right here? Yeah, try to speak here. This side. Can't read it. Okay, guys. That's our unboxing today for this fishing rod Hamachi Nano stalker at least 2. So we never tried to testing it yet, but can have a look. And this very light rod. Thanks, guys.